Hi, I'm Nick Edwards, a Porsche Global Certified Brand Ambassador here at the Collection Porsche. It's my pleasure to introduce to you the Porsche Communication Management System in the all-new Porsche Panamera. I'll just guide you through each of the pages so you can see how to access certain aspects of the car, controlling your cell phone, the climate control, navigation, the online apps, and in this specific car, the hybrid system. So starting off, you can see a nice clear layout of the home screen. This is configurable of up to 5 pages. The next bar down, the impressive 12.5-inch monitor screen displays a Google satellite imaging navigation system. In the media page, this will access your source of media that you're currently playing. For example, now it's the FM, but we do have various different sources of media, such as Bluetooth via the cell phone, satellite radio, AM, FM, and AUX. The phone screen, this is where we will be connecting a cell phone and managing all our calls and text messages. The car screen, here we can control which driving mode we are in, the height of the chassis, the dynamic rebound of the chassis, and we can even put the spoiler up and down. There are some sub-menus in here, such as controlling certain aspects of the vehicle settings. Locking, lighting and visibility, seat settings, tyre pressure monitoring, and configuration of certain buttons. Climate control page. This controls the airflow and the different airflow panels inside the vehicle and air distribution. Now we can see the online apps page. Once you subscribe via My Porsche, you get a 12-month free subscription to different online apps, which will show you aspects such as parking, fuel prices, local charging ports, event information, weather, flights. You can even sync a Twitter account or a Nest account to control aspects of your home. This is the assist page, so if your car is equipped with various driving assists or safety assists, you can control that from this page. This car has night view assist, Porsche Active Safe, lane keep assist, lane change assist, a surround assist, and traffic jam and park assist. The hybrid page displays the different hybrid driving modes and how much range you have left inside the battery. You can control the sound for the sound system, the Bose surround system. If it's equipped with Burmeister, you'll have a Burmeister page here as well. And last but not least, you have your vehicle settings where you can control all aspects of the car and configure it to yourself. Thank you very much.